Good morning, YouTube friends and fans. Today I'm working on the heating element for the dryer. Let me show you how bad it's gotten. Not that bad, it's just that's all everything that's got to be taken off of this to make it happen. Stick around, learn something new maybe. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Alrighty, first thing I've learned is when you're dealing with something like this, take a meter, put it on ohms, test your meter, make sure it goes to 0, means it completes the circuit, and then test all the electrodes down the side. These are sensors. This is the actual heating element wires. So we'll start with the element. This is the one that I fixed in the garage. That one's good. No reading, that's bad. So let's go down here to the next one. This is the one I just took out of the unit. That's good. That's good as well. And that's showing there's a break in the coil. So let me show you a little bush fix, take you out to the garage and show you how to fix that. But first we're going to switch the sensors. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, it ain't common for someone to have the tube and all the sensors as a second unit just laying around. And you're right. My brother happened to have a very similar model, and his drum ate itself and destroyed itself. So I took and brought it home, scavenged as many parts as I could, saved me. I've already used one sensor out of it, and I've also used the heating coil once. So I bought the replacement, put the replacement parts back in it so that it speeds all this up. Because I forgot already. I think this one's bad, the one I just took off. No, it's good. Okay. So that's the bad unit because it's still got the blue cord on it that come out of the unit. Sometimes hard to remember what you just did. Well, for any of my northern viewing friends, found out a really good way to get 90 degrees anytime you want it, and it doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to get on a plane, go to Florida or anything like that. Just go to the corner in your house and stick your nose in it. You're welcome. Alright, sensors in. Switch the cable over. Obviously you got more wires and everything to hook up. Take this guy out to the garage and show you the bush fix. Alrighty, got ourselves out here in the dungeon, or my palace, the garage. Take away all the screws. one tab's folded over, so broke right here. Okay, so I take a metal terminal, take the plastic off because it's obviously going to get hot and become an issue. And I'm going to snip the rest of the terminal off, hopefully. Oh shoot, where did that go? Aha! Found it. Bring it in so you can see what's going on. So we got the little splice in. See if we can get it to crimp. I don't know if I can get that in there, Kim. Pull the edges apart.
Not really.
Let's put the meter on it and see what I got. Making the circuit. Hopefully we'll figure out whatever happened to the last one and go from there. Well, we've tested it out. Everything works. Gotta put the door back on. And thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like if you like what I got going on. Took the second unit apart. You can see where it broke right there. It actually welded itself solid. So, wife and I are afraid to put the other one in. Not the fact that it might not hold, just it doing work for no reason. So anyhow, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Next level.